हेलो गाइस, अवनीत दिस साइड फ्रॉम साहिबा कार बालीनगर। आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए लेकर आया हूँ निपॉन का एंड्रॉयड स्टीरियो जिसका मॉडल नंबर है एंड्रॉयड 9 प्रो अल्ट्रा। दिस इज़ अ 9 इंचेस फुल फ्लेज एंड्रॉयड टैबलेट विच कैन बी easily installed in any car without any type of wire cutting. This stereo comes along with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, IPS panel and Gorilla Glass. Gorilla Glass इसका 5 dimensions का है which makes the screen toughness more strong. Since this stereo is in 4 GB, the touch response of the stereo is quite smooth. आप इस स्क्रीन का टच रिस्पॉन्स भी चेकआउट कर सकते हैं, काफ़ी स्मूथ टच है। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, इन दिस स्टीरियो वी आर ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडेड विद 360 डिग्री कैमरा सपोर्ट। अगर आपको इस स्टीरियो के साथ 360 डिग्री कैमरा इंस्टॉल करना है देन दैट इज़ ऑल्सो compatible, which can be also installed along with it. Apart from this, we are also provided with the DSP setting, using which we can directly enhance the sound quality. In total, 36 band of equalizer are available, and each and every point can be adjusted according to a requirement. Apart from this, a lot of other options are also available, like the surround sound option, zone mode, using which we can check whether all the speakers are working or not. Sound option is also there, and इसके अंदर we are also provided with the option of changing the subwoofer gain and bass boost option, using which we can directly enhance our bass, or we can also control the subwoofer. If installed in the car, we are also provided with the option of bass filter, using which we can direct the flow of bass that is coming from the speakers. Bass can be increased as well as decreased according to our requirement. We are also provided with the T-Link application, using which we can directly access the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is available in the stereo. Both of these can be accessed by using wired connection as well as wirelessly. अभी आपको मैं इसके अंदर फर्दर वायरलेस कनेक्शन के थ्रू Apple CarPlay एक्सेस करके दिखाऊंगा. Since this is a full-fledged Android tablet, we are provided with many applications like Google Maps, YouTube, and many more. In this, we are also provided with the Play Store application, using which we can download any application in the stereo if required. इस स्टीरियो के अंदर वी आर प्रोवाइडेड विद हाई पावर तोशिबा चिप, जिससे इसका टच रिस्पॉन्स एंड मेनी फीचर्स काफ़ी स्मूथ वर्क करते हैं. इन दिस स्टीरियो वी आर ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडेड विद IPS पैनल, जिसका मेन बेनिफिट ये होता है कि इफ़ यू वॉच फ्रॉम एनी एंगल वी विल गेट अ क्लियर व्यू ऑफ द स्क्रीन. लाइक मैंने अभी इसमें एक वीडियो प्ले करी है, आप देख सकते हैं मैंने एंगल चेंज किया कैमरे का, आफ्टर विच द वीडियो इज़ टोटली क्लियर ऑन द स्क्रीन. दिस स्टीरियो ऑल्सो हैज़ 4K सपोर्ट इन इट, using which we can directly play high resolution videos on the screen by using applications such as YouTube and many more. Apart from this, अब मैं आपको इसकी 360 डिग्री कैमरा एप्लीकेशन एक्सेस करके दिखा रहा हूँ. When the cameras are connected, we are provided with a satellite view, and we can also choose for a specific view which will be viewed on the right side. अब मैं आपको इस स्टीरियो के अंदर वायरलेस कारप्ले एक्सेस करके दिखाऊंगा. For using the wireless Apple CarPlay, first of all, we are required to connect the Bluetooth along with the device. The method is same for Android phones also, using which we can directly sync our Android phone along with the device. After connecting the Bluetooth, we are required to open the T-Link application, and within a couple of seconds, the phone screen will be directly synced along with the device. After which, we can directly access most of the applications which are available in our phone in this stereo, like the music application. Apart from this, we are also provided with many more applications such as phone, using which I can directly make call, and maps are also available which can be used for navigating easily. We are also provided with the assistant feature, which is Siri, using which we can directly give any commands if we want. Like for making a call, the MRP of this stereo is 34,990 rupees, and for the discounted price of this product आप मेरे को कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं. मेरा मोबाइल नंबर नीचे मैंशनड है. ऑल ओवर इंडिया डिलीवरी भी अवेलेबल है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, इस स्टीरियो की वारंटी आप ऑल ओवर इंडिया कहीं भी क्लेम कर सकते हैं एट एनी सर्विस सेंटर इन केस ऑफ एनी प्रॉब्लम.